We have our hole cut for our Maxx Air fan, and we're getting ready for our install.
Watch this father and son crew build the most awesome DIY Overland camper. Follow along every step of the way as they build and teach others how to build stuff with their own hands. Be careful, you might learn something. You might also laugh along the way at some of the crazy stuff Tristan says. Either way, they would love you to follow along on this father and son journey, so please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.